blinks, you will have a shutdown right here. See that? Beep. And it won't start. So there's an override, which will let you start. Starts up just like normal, but if that blinks. You feel okay?
Where's the truck? Where's the big truck?
It's over there.
Where's the truck?
It's right over there. Do you feel okay?
Yeah.
Are you sick?
Yeah. No. I can't believe that I'm the only one not sick now.
On this sick Thanksgiving, Papa came over just to steal some cheesecake. There you go. Yummy, yummy. And a loaf of pumpkin bread.
And some pumpkin bread.
And he brought me gravy mix.
Yummy. Since we are too sick to go see family, we had to have a last minute change of plans for Thanksgiving dinner. So we did Cracker Barrel. Thank you so much, Cracker Barrel, for being open. I'm picking one up. Is this re-enter?
Is it for a big family order?
No, it's like 4 people.
You go around the parking lot. You can go this way though.
You can't, or you can?
You can.
Okay, cool. Okay, so since we last minute couldn't go to Thanksgiving with the family, we have to have some kind of food, and Cracker Barrel has it made. So thank you so much, Cracker Barrel, for being open. Got to pick up for Katie Leviser. Yep.
I got you. Is it an individual order?
Yeah.
All right. You have to pull around the parking lot, and you'll basically just be right next to this tree for a minute.
Okay.
Someone pulls out.
All righty. Looks like that might be a tradition for them. He's pushing her in. Kind of want to get out and help him. I don't know. But he probably likes doing it himself. So we're supposed to stay right up here with our flashes on, and they will bring the food to us. Don't make fun of my nose strip. Keeps me breathing. Smells like Thanksgiving in here, so I appreciate Cracker Barrel. Thank you so much. They are quite the operating machine right now. But we got turkey, stuffing. I don't know what we got, but it's definitely nice to have a little bit of turkey because we were going to be in Atlanta having a huge spread, but don't want to get our family sick, so we'll take this, the second resort. Well, thank you very much, Cracker Barrel. Let's go. So $20 a meal?
That's about
Not bad.
It was $15.99 a meal, and then I took $5.
There you go. Hey, I'll take it. Better than getting our family sick, right?
Did make green bean casserole.
Oh my goodness.
And some gravy.
And you made some deviled eggs.
And I made some deviled eggs.
Did I just water?
I don't know. I think it's your brother's.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Well, now it is the Cowboys game and some pumpkin pie. Yum, yum. Wanna try it? Oh, yeah.
No.
No. My goodness, Dolly.
She wears full bodysuits.
She's a Cowboy fan.
Clearly.
So
Oh
we're
my God.
so sick we're not going to put everything up, but we're at least going to get the tree out.
Yes, for sure.
Let's put it up. So T-Dubs and I said tree only, and then somebody begged and begged for the train. Oh, yeah.
Me too.
Kyla, what'd you want? Kaka, you want a what?
Rain.
The train, yes.
Rain.
So now we get 30 days of, over 30 days of this. Constantly. Every morning. My goodness, can't wait. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, and that thing takes 4 C batteries. I had to go to the Circle K to get them. $7.99 for 2. My goodness.
$7.99?
Yeah. Better start making some more money in this world. So that would be 8 divided by 2.
I don't even know like
I'll teach you. $4 for 1 C battery. Well, my goodness, guys, I hope you had a great, I gotta restock the waters. They're all gone. That's how much water I drank over the last, 5 days we've been sick? My goodness. I've never been this sick for this long. So I pray you guys had a great Thanksgiving. We had to cancel going to see family and get better. Today's the first day I actually feel kind of myself again. It was bad. So T-Dubs and I both got it on, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. And then we tried to play it by ear. Thought we were going to be okay by Thursday. Just got worse and worse. Then Kylan got it on Thursday morning pretty bad. The day we were going to drive up to see family. So we barely got our Christmas tree up. We've been just aching, dying, coughing. Felt like there was just a pound of pressure in our nasal cavity the whole time. So God bless you guys. I pray you had a great Thanksgiving. We did do the giveaway. Even when I could barely talk, I have my voice back a little bit now. We're going to go get the, they actually started production just tonight to try and get this last week, trying to get it done before Christmas. Get this project done because they're already behind schedule a little bit. So we need to get our lights up, kind of like our neighbors got theirs little ones up. Some people down here have theirs up, but getting back into a groove. We're going to go fire up the FLD, go up there tonight, get a loaded one, deliver in the morning. But 5 days, going on day 6 almost of being sick. And we're pretty sure we got it at the jump place, Urban Air. We're not 100% sure, but our good friend who brought her son to that birthday party also has been sick for 5 days. So we're trying to say that's the last place we all hung out together. So, and her kid didn't get sick, or maybe he is now, hope not. Our neighbor kid was also sick, but he didn't go to that party with us. And then all of our kids have gotten sick. Cash got it first, me and T-Dubs, Kaysen, and then Kellen last. So, all right, let's go get one more load and start off this week. There are those 2 sleeping beauties. Probably fire them both up because we do have the keys for the W9 with us, so why not, right? It's been a beautiful holiday, beautiful weather, but woo, not for us. My goodness, it's been under the weather time. She needs a bath too. It's supposed to rain this weekend, but did not rain that much this week at all. Moon's coming through the clouds. Let's get these things fired up. 45 degrees out here. There we go. See if she still has some power in her too. Ooh. Well, for the W9, this is where green APU comes in like a pro. Because it has battery tender mode, which I should have turned on right there. Battery charger. I don't know if you can see that. We'll focus. There you go. And that, if the batteries drop below 12.5, which it's saying they're 12 right now, it will kick on and charge them for an hour. So definitely check out green APU. I should have had that on before, but I didn't think I'm using the W9. So APU will kick on and get those charging. And the FLD is also low for sitting for 5 days. She just fired up. And we're going to go ahead and charge up the FLD a little bit. Oh man, always something in trucking. Doing a little research on the FLD, I found out that there is a plaque down here, right there. And watched a couple videos, kind of realized the amount of blinks. You will have a shutdown right here. See that? Beep. And it won't start. So there's an override, which will let you start. Starts up just like normal, but if that blinks, you let that override out, it'll give you the code, a number. It'll blink a certain amount of times, blink a certain amount of times. It's giving me 4.3, which means we are low on coolant. So thank you, FLD, for having that built-in system, but it'll just shut down. I was like, what's going on? It's just shutting itself off. First it wouldn't start, but the override, that's what that's for. So now it'll shut down, and it'll give me a 4.3 code. So that'll tell you a code. You can look up the code, and that is low coolant. So that is what we have. I did not know that. So we have to refill that up. I've never checked it since I bought it. So, I mean, I have checked it, but like not thoroughly since I bought it. So we'll go ahead and check that. It doesn't have a sight glass or anything like that. It's a complete solid tank, so you can't really see a level on it. So I guess you just gotta check it, or that'll tell you when it's low. So, all right, it's not our batteries in the FLD, it is the coolant. And that was it, guys. She was low on coolant. So something new. Sorry, still sick. Something new you learn every day. So let it warm up, air up, and it blinks 4 times and then 3 times. It's a coolant. You can override it if you're jammed, but try to figure out what the problem is first. So learn something new about frame letters. Let's see if this thing's charged up for that green APU. Went to Walmart and got coolant, so we've been gone 15, 20 minutes. See if that green APU has had enough time to charge these batteries. Quite the alternator on that thing, so it probably has. Let's see. Oh yeah, gotta get a green APU, guys. Especially for the winter time and especially for the summertime. Batteries are recharged. Let's let that motor warm up. Whew, we made it back out here. It is a cold one and a gloomy one, but hey, blessed to have some work. Let's finish out strong. Can barely see the moon now. But yeah, coolant. Learn something new every day. FLDs have a little blinky system to let you know when something's going on. The W9 will just tell you your coolant level's low, but it'll still run. All right, let's go. She's back at it. She did great. Made it up there, made it back. Probably get some fuel in the morning. But for right now, we will just shut it down and get some sleep and get back to it in the morning. See how many we're going to get this week. But that was scary. Definitely scary. FLD flashing red light of shutdown of death. I learned what that meant today pretty quickly. Pretty cool looking little ring around the moon. Oh yeah, clouds just drifting by. Mysterious, but we're home. Oh yeah, cold but home. 45 degrees it says. Let's get some sleep. See you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, you two. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Hi guys, take it. Gotta finish decorating that tree. Let's get back to work. Old Red Wheels is telling me 38 degrees this morning. Woo! Cold. Let's check that coolant level again and stay away from the shutdown light of death is what we'll call this video. Scared me for a little bit. I was like, what happened here? Truck was running great. Shut it down. Haven't driven it in 5 days. What's going on? So, and I can hear the APU going. You can hear it right there. Green APU is going, and the stance car is leaving over there. If you can see that, kind of that car right under the sun. We'll call that house the stance house because there's always different cars. That's Supra. That's like a A6 or a Volkswagen. I'm not sure, but yeah, he's stopping too, doing something, checking his whatever. But we'll turn that APU off. I'm sure those batteries are plenty charged now, but that is just the benefit, one of the many benefits of the green APU. Never have to worry about getting a jump. Just charge your batteries a little bit. All right, let's warm these up. Cold out here. Woo! There we go. That sun is bright this morning, right off the pavement. Woo! All right, she's doing good. Our gearbox feels kind of like mashed potatoes right now. I think that fluid in there is a little bit cold. Right when I put it in gear the first time, I was like, wow, it feels a little pushy. But it's starting to feel better now. But my voice is slowly coming back. Got a little bit of that cough still. But my aches and pains are all gone, and that's all I can ask for. So let's deliver this first one and go get another one. Good morning, beautiful dump. We got checked in pretty easily. The grounds are not muddy as heck anymore. They leveled them out. The scale is actually pretty muddy. And they still have not graded the ramp for the scale. So this guy's having a problem with his tarp there. It's kind of stuck up there. It's been that way since I pulled on the scale. But you can see that the second truck up there, the tarp kind of just not all the way over. But yeah, we got 2 trucks like ours in line, and then a couple of guys that go off on the side and dump. I'm gonna see what he's got going on. If I need to, well, I'll go get my truck ready, but see if by that time he's done or he's got something going on with that tarp. It looks like he's definitely got something going on with that tarp. All right, let's go get ours ready though. My FLD buddy is backing on. That guy finally got his tarp over. It's kind of just stuck in the middle. Had to use his strap and pull it up. And we got this guy moving up, so we'll move up with him. He's going on that tipper. Is the other tipper empty? No, there's a truck on it. So once he's done dumping, we will be next in line. Okay, beautiful morning at the dump. Does not smell that bad, but then again, my nose is probably still has a brick in it still. It was so stuffed. I felt like I had a cinder block sitting on my nose, my sinuses. Ugh. But hey, we're getting on the mend. We don't feel achy anymore. That's all I can ask for. And let's get 2 in today and then probably get 1 on our back again and see how long it lasts. This might be the last week or maybe a little bit next week. And then we're going to get back to spot market or find something else with that good old FLD. All right. FLD buddy is out of here, and we're going in his lane. Here we go. All right, nice and lined up. Let's get on it. Got a little bit of a traffic jam here. This guy's in front of us leaving. His door won't close, so he's got to do something up there to get that thing to close. And then this guy's getting set up, but he's got nobody in front of him. But we're blocking that earth mover there, the dump. And I can't get through until this guy gets his door fixed. So we're just gonna hold the pattern. Hold the pattern for a little bit. I don't know if they broke down or what we got going on, but they are stuck in the middle of the road. All right. Yeah, I think they broke down. I don't know what they're moving towards, but yeah, T's and P's. They've been doing a lot of pole work out here for either electrical or internet or something, or phones. But yeah, we're almost back to the highway, and SCDOT is stopping traffic. Okay. Here comes another truck, maybe to help. I don't know. Beautiful day though. We're probably in the high 40s right now. It's still pretty crisp outside. I got the window cracked, but it sure is gorgeous. My voice is somewhat almost there, but I just have a little bit of buildup still in my esophagus, whatever you call it, my nostrils, all that medical jargon. Let's get going. And then T-Dubs texted me earlier and said Casey's not feeling so great at school. He kind of was the last person to get it, him and Kylan. But Casey kind of bounced out of it, bounced back into it. But she said today, his teacher called her and said he's not feeling great, so she might go get him. Let him stay home a couple more days. Last night he was feeling great, just playing with his friends. Two of his friends were over, but yeah, he's not doing good today. And so prayers for Casey, prayers for everybody. Let's just get over this, and I pray nobody else gets this because it's not a great. It's the longest the cold's ever knocked me out. Almost 6 days. Whew, it's almost a whole week. All right, but no nausea, no throwing up, no flu, just achiness and sinus pressure. But hey, the shutdown light of death did not take us out. We figured it out. My buddy texted me back about 20 minutes after. He was there to help me. He knew what it was, but we figured it out by reading that little label down there. And then now I know what that override button means next to the starter button. You can actually override it to get it going if you need to. And I guess there's also a button somewhere on the computer panel where you can disable it altogether. But it's nice to have it just so you have that warning, knowing you're low on coolant or anything else is going on. We need a little bit more fuel, so we're going to stop old exit 9. RTS is still the best price along this route. If I was moving to other places, there'd definitely be a lot more, especially like Truck Smarter just teamed up with Road Ranger, another big network of fuel. And that was something they've been putting in the works for a while. And they're actually running a promotion from the 27th to the 3rd of December. So actually today till the 3rd of December, you get extra money off. Just check out the app, check out that promo. They have a map out there for you and show you all the new locations they're adding. But they're not as prominent out here in the South. Sorry about my voice, guys. But they definitely are over there in the Midwest and the Northwest and parts of the Southeast or Southwest, sorry. Sorry, I just got a text. Oh, health insurance coverage. Oh, we already got that. But yeah, let's get some fuel. I'm gonna clear my throat a little bit so I can talk better. And let's get back for one more load. But yeah, check out Truck Smarter. Check out Road Ranger, another great acquisition for them. When I go to Florida, they have the best fuel anywhere out there. Have RTS, RXO, MUDFLAP, all of them right there off exit, what is it, exit 9, exit 14, I think? But I haven't been to Florida in a while, but I'm praying I can get back there soon enough. Let's just pray for this country, pray for everyone not to get sick, and pray for everybody. Gave him our RTS card, and it is 48 degrees. I asked Siri, what's the temperature outside? She said 48. I said, whoa. A couple of Western Express and Millennial, and then 4 other trucks here hanging out. Let's get fueled up. Should be about 90 gallons, and then it should shut off. Let's see. We are at 379 a gallon. So we're going to be getting the RTS price of, there we go, it's 90 gallons. 349. Not bad, not bad. So we'll take that off of 30 cents off, save us a little bit of money. Let's go pay. crystal clear day. We can see all the mountains out there. Before I left getting fuel, I checked the load boards a little bit, and Truck Smarter had the Arcadia, which is way down on the western side of Florida, kind of Fort Myers area, or not that far down, but way down past Tampa. So that one's been up there for about 1,300 all week, all last week, all the week before that, probably the last 3 months. And they have it up for 1,800, so I said, all right. So I bid $2,450 on it, and they counter offered with $1,805. Oh my goodness! But you can see on that that first picture, the price of fuel for Truck Smarter is $3.19. $3.19 going down into Florida on that Georgia exit, so it's still nice and cheap down there at fuel stop. So definitely play all your fuel cards. Depends on where you're at, but Truck Smarter's always adding new fuel stops, and they have over 500 now in their network. So put them in your repertoire. Why not? It's free, you know. Can't beat free, especially in this economy. Oh man. All right, well, we're getting back up here. Saw our buddy go by a little bit ago. He's on his second one. We are going for our second one, and then can't really get 3 anymore because there's another person on it now on the run, so they don't have them loaded enough. So I did stagger it out where I'm coming up a little bit later than those 2 guys were, so that I don't have to sit there and wait for a load, if that makes sense. So, all right, but there are loads out there, just not worth it. If you're going down to Florida for Thanksgiving or something, maybe, but to get back out of Florida, not so great. There's guys playing some drums over there on some Home Depot buckets. Right past, they're behind the school bus now, but there's 2 guys playing drums on some Home Depot buckets. All right, anything you do to make money, you know, you never know. Let's get our trailer ready and our latches open, or tarp off. But first, they are dumping some dirt. I don't know why they're making it bigger, but they sure are. All right, let's get this going. Windy out here. Woo. Back at it. There we go. Beautiful day today. Let's get back home. Get another one later on after traffic subsides. We are home, sweet home. 59 degrees. Shut the truck down. Go back up there later today when the traffic subsides. Go home and see what's going on with poor T-Dubs and Case, and they're still sick. Going on a week for T-Dubs, guys, so pray for her. Some of my family out in California, they were also sick this week. Man, it's just crazy. But when I was sitting there waiting to let the truck cool down, this load popped up here on the left, and that's decent to come back down to Columbia. I wouldn't mind deadheading up to Knoxville just to grab that and come back down the mountain with it. Then you're not wasting too much fuel and wear and tear on that truck going up the mountain, but coming down, just using some brakes and taking it easy. But I would take that for sure if I wasn't doing this contract. But this contract is ending soon, but loads like that will also probably end soon also. Once Christmas hits, freight really dies down as more than it already is dead right now. So maybe there'll be little things like that here and there that need to move, but it's notorious the 5 years I've been doing this that when it gets into the week before Christmas till about February, it just dies. So don't expect too much. Take vacations if you can, get another job, go Uber, do anything else, because freight is already horrible and it's going to get worse and worse. So we need to put up our Christmas still, get everything going for the holiday. But right now it's kind of just survival mode, get off this sickness. So we get these trash cans back in there, check on the babies, check on T-Dubs, and yeah, keep going. Oh yeah, good old Red Wheels taking care of us. And I still feel kind of just mucusy, but I feel okay. My body feels fine, so at least I'm doing all right. At least I can hold it down and make a little bit of money and see what we're doing for the rest of November. Because we still need to get that washer to the lake. I still need to get the transmission out of that car. Oh, all kinds of stuff. But first, health is most important. Like your socks, at least. You doing okay?
No.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I hope you feel better, T-dubs. These two, right where I left them. Hi. Hi. Okay. Man, poor T-Dub, she does not feel good. Gave Tiki some loves. Speaking of that car right there, you guys have been great on 3BB, my son's channel, trying to help me figure out everything. And this is one thing I was asking you guys about. All-Star Performance, we have a new, whatever that number is, boop, fuel filter. It's actually interchangeable, but that's how big the fuel filter is. That's crazy. It's bigger than that because this goes inside of it. But I'm gonna wait till I drop the transmission and drop the rear end because it's mounted right where the rear end is, like above where it goes in. So we'll do that, but that's here. That was only $15. It was $61 for a whole new filter, but I just thought it was a good replacement. But that's probably not part of the problem, but we're just replacing everything on the car. And then a lot of you guys are saying maybe the idle is just gonna be high because it's not really a streetable car. So you're gonna have to wait till it gets warm till it starts to idle, which it did before. I don't know, but that's a little update on that car. But let's get an update on health for everybody in the family first. Kellen is with Papa and Gigi. They picked them up and stole them again, like they usually do. And we're just praying for T-Dubs. She says Casey's okay. Let's go see how those boys are doing. How you feeling, dude?
Good.
Feel good?
Yep.
How about you, buddy? You feel any better? Mama said you didn't feel so good at school today. Did you feel okay now? Good. What'd you feel like at school? Nothing? Okay. Well, hope you feel better tomorrow.
Don't you remember that? We jumped off the boat.
You can talk to me? Did I say nothing?
Don't you remember that?
You're just gonna give me hugs? Okay.
Okay, well, she did go snorkeling. We jumped off the boat.
I love you. Poor Case and poor T-Dubs. I'm back to almost 100%. I have a little phlegm still, but I've got a lot of energy. So I said, let's go wash the truck. So I just went and washed her, vacuumed her out, detailed her all because she hasn't been washed in a while. Got that all done. Got a beautiful sunset coming up out there. It's a beautiful day, but we'll go up and get one again tonight. But right now, with that energy, I'm gonna hit the Home Depot, get some more Christmas lights. I think I'm gonna do the points of the house. Wish me luck. It looks like I might be up on the roof. I don't know, but yeah, she's all clean. It's a beautiful sunset. Thanks for hanging out with us for Thanksgiving. Just pray for T-Dubs and Kason and everybody else to get better and have a great rest of this holiday and get into the next holiday. But let's get some lights, and God bless you, and I will see you on the next one.